In this video, we will discuss removing and promoting data shortcuts. If you'd like to follow along with this video, please open the file 0704 removing and promoting shortcuts.dwg located in the training folder as discussed in the Working with this dataset video. Data shortcut functionality allows you to reference Civil3d objects into multiple DWG files. But let's say you want to remove shortcuts or copy the actual Civil3d object into your drawing and lose the reference. How do you do that? First, let's look at my file. In the Prospector tab, you'll notice I have a surface that has a shortcut icon that tells you that it is an object that is being referenced by a data shortcut. I also have some alignments that are also following that functionality. To synchronize, promote, or open the Civil3d object, simply select it, and in the ribbon, you'll be able to synchronize it, which will synchronize it to the latest updates in the file that it's referencing. You can open the source file, which will allow you to actually make edits to it, very similar to OpenXRef, and you can promote the data reference. Well, let's go ahead and select my alignment. When I select this one, let's go ahead and promote this data reference, and notice in the Prospector tab what will happen. When I promote it, you no longer have a shortcut, and notice how the grips became available. So now this Civil3d object, Bypass 1, is now available for me to make edits to and is no longer referencing the other data shortcut. So that's how you can promote and copy Civil3d objects that are being referenced from a data shortcut. If you wanted to remove a data shortcut from your project, navigate to the data shortcut category, simply expand to the object you want to remove, and simply right-click on it and remove it from your project. One thing also to note, I'm going to minimize Civil3d. In the Start menu, All Programs, Autodesk category, AutoCAD Civil3d 2013, there is a Data Shortcuts Editor. And this is a really great utility that enables you to make global changes to any of your data shortcuts if, let's say, the path of a file changes. Simply point your Data Shortcuts folder to where your project is located. In this case, I'll point to the Project 1. Click OK. It will automatically list all of the Civil3d objects that are being data shortcutted within this project. The way that you change any of the pathing is you simply select the tool Find and Replace, and you can select any part of the path and replace it with whatever path is the new path. This concludes this video discussing removing and promoting data shortcuts.